Hi, I had mentioned in my previous tutorial where I showed you how to make a round dish scrubby that I was expecting an order from Amazon. We were talking about the different colors that you can get Tulle in to make these beautiful scrubbies and how you can make great gifts for everyone with those. And it would be nice to have lots and lots of different colors. So I was telling you about the order that I had placed, and I had paid like $14.99. I know it was less than 20. It might have actually been $16.99. It was somewhere in between that. And you get 20 different colors. So I actually have not ordered this set before. So it's going to be interesting to see it because I normally buy my tulle at Walmart on that spool that I had shown you when I was showing you how to make the yellow dish scrubby. And this time I also have some jute that I ordered, some jute twine, and some Tunisian crochet hooks. I only had like one or two sizes of the Tunisian crochet hooks, and I wanted to get a whole set, so that's in here as well. So let's go ahead and open the box, and I'll give you my first impression of the tulle that I got. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to open it now. Okay, so it's a little big, so I'm going to have to move it out of the way a little bit to cut it open. I'm using my scissors here. Okay. I can't get this one open. Here we go. Okay, so it's a little bit big, so I'm going to actually have to move it out of the way. Sorry about that. I'm going to show you here a few items. So actually, let me turn it here. And you can see there's that big spool of jute twine I was telling you about. It's this is like $9.99, and it's really a good size. Let me move the box out of the way so I can show you. So this is the jute twine that I had ordered before, and I'll tell you, actually, it was $9.99, and I was really happy with it because it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. And actually, I have to tell you, this is bigger than the one I got last time, so that is a really good deal. So that'll be fun. I'll show you how to make some jute baskets out of this and some other projects in the future. So let me go ahead and set that aside and show you what else we have in here. Okay, so these are the Tunisian crochet hooks that I ordered. So let me open the plastic. Okay, it looks like they have it taped together at the end. I'm going to use my scissors to cut that open a little bit here. I think it said it comes with 11 Tunisian hooks, so I'm going to have to double check it. Okay, yeah, that's what they did. They taped the bottom part. Yeah, let me open that up. Okay, look at that. I have really large ones. I have all different sizes. This is great. In pretty colors. Wow, that one's a really thin one. I never had one this thin before. Oh, this is even smaller. So it looks like the smallest size is a 2.0 millimeter, and the largest one is a 8.0 millimeter. So it goes from size 2 up to 8. And yes, that was the set of 11. So that will be fun to show you some future projects in the future with that. Oh, and I did get one large spool of white tulle. And this was it was like $5. And it's 6 inches wide. So it's the same width of the one I was working with when we made the yellow dish scrubby. But this is 100 yards. So it's actually a pretty good deal. So that is, looks like the same type really as what I had from Walmart. It's just a larger spool. Okay, and then I did buy a new Lion brand knitting spool. They're also called a knitting nanny. Sometimes you'll hear them referred to as a knitting doll. And there it is. It's just adorable. So I'll show you some projects with this in the future too. A lot of people like these and make it really easy for kids to make those knitting I-cords with. And a lot of times people will say, oh, you know, what can you make with it? Well, I'll show you lots of ideas that you can make with them. So we'll look at that again in the future on future tutorials. It's really cute. Okay, so now here is a big box that's in there, and it's still sealed, and I'm guessing that the tool is in this box. Let me go ahead and open that. Oops. Okay, let's see. I think I'll open the edges first. It might be easier to get that open. There we go. Okay, so now, let's see what's inside. Oh, there we go. That is, in fact, the spools of tulle. So let's see, I think there's 20. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so it is a set of 20. And, boy, there's a lot of pretty colors. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this aside and I'll show you the different colors. Okay, so this one looks like I got some more white, so I'll have plenty of white. Won't run out of that for a while. And this, I have some silver. And these are real, this is the same size as the one that I get at Walmart. They are 6 inches wide and 25 yards. So this is almost exactly like what I picked up at Walmart. Except for this was more convenient because I had it shipped to the house. I didn't have to go out to get it. And this is yellow. This is a different shade than the one we used. The one that I made the scrubby with was a lighter yellow. This one is more like a goldenrod yellow. Okay, and this one is coral. That is a pretty color. I really like the color coral. I'll have to make something with that. And I have red. And there's... Okay, this one isn't labeled. Must have fallen off, but this is definitely a shade of blue, a medium color blue. And this is purple. And I noticed something. If you look at this, it looks like... I was going to say it looked like a slightly shorter. Actually, it is a little bit shorter than 6 inches. But it just looks like it's only like 1/8 of an inch off. So that's the only one that looks like it was shorter than the rest of them. Okay, and then there's some pink. A nice light pink. And this looks like... This is like an olive green, actually. Okay. And then I have another color pink. This is fuchsia. So there's the light pink and the darker pink, like a hot pink fuchsia. And this is aqua. That's a pretty color. I like that. And this one is brown. And I needed some brown because I want to show you how to make a sunflower scrubby. Because sunflowers are one of my favorite colors. Okay, and this one here, tulle fabric. Oh, plum. I thought it was brown at first, but with some better lighting, I guess it is a dark plum color. Okay, and this is orange. And then this is emerald green. Okay, so this looks like a light blue. They call it Copenhagen. It's the color. They call it Copenhagen. All right. Okay, and this one is peach. So if you put it next to the orange, you can see it's much lighter. They call it peach. And this one is navy blue. And this one is a smoke blue, they call it. There's one more, and this one, ivory. Alright. Wow, that's a lot of pretty colors. I really like it. So I won't be running out of tulle anytime soon. And I'm surprised because for the price, it was less than $20. It was either $14.95 or $16.95 at most. All of these 20 colors. And, you know, at Walmart I buy them and they are $1.99 for one. And for one spool. And I actually thought, because it was a set of 20 and for the price, I thought that these were going to be like smaller than 25 yards. I thought I was going to get a lot less. So I'm actually very pleased. It's more than I expected, to be honest with you. So I'm very happy. I love the colors. I think they're very pretty. And I'll go ahead and show you those again. They're really, really pretty. So as you can tell, since I have so much tulle, we'll be doing a lot of tutorials with scrubbies. And I think everyone's going to be getting a lot of gifts this year. And a lot of those gifts are going to be scrubbies. Okay, so this is just a, it's from Amazon, but I guess they fulfill it for a company called giftsinternational.com. And it just has a price list of other types of stuff that they carry. This is, they have the tulle on the spool. That's what I had actually got here. I guess they have sheer organza fabric. You can buy it on the bolt or spool. Polyester ribbon. But yeah, this was all on Amazon. And if you're interested in finding out exactly the order number for this whole set, I can definitely look that up for you and post that in the notes below. In the comment box below. I'll go ahead and note that later. I apologize. I should have had that printed out already when I was showing you the unboxing, but I will definitely put it in the notes. I'll show you a link to the Amazon website if you want to get this, because I'll tell you, I'm very pleased with the quality of it. It's great, and the colors are beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of my Amazon order for my craft supplies. And as you can see, the items that I got, that will give you kind of an indication of some of the tutorials I'm going to have up and coming in the future. So I hope that you'll subscribe, and thank you for watching. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.